I just got my turtles from, let me see if you can see it. It says, it's a Arizona turtle compound. I just received them right now. They were just on time. I was surprised that I was gonna get them on time. And I just cut this out right now, so I mean I can use one hand. First time I'm gonna see these babies. I don't even know if they're alive or not. Oh, I see one. Hold on, let me get this plate over here. It doesn't say in the box anything about keeping it upright. So I hope they were up, you know, not turned on their backs or something. But let me see. Oh shit! No. Oh, it's a baby one. It's alive. That real small. How cute is that, huh? My kids are gonna be happy. This is a present for them for tomorrow. Let's see. Get the other one out. Wow, they're very small. This one's alive. That's one eye shut. It might want some light or something. But they all look pretty good. Pretty healthy. This one's eyes are watery. Let me see this one right here. I'm gonna get them back into temperature. Let me say anything else. Well, I want to get them set up in their new cage, and I'll get back to y'all. Look at my baby sulcatas. They're well and alive. Look at that one. Going at it. He's hungry. It's a mixture of, what do you call it? Some red leaf, romaine, and the other was just regular romaine, some cilantro, and some broccoli. And he's loving it. And I added some, what do you call that? Some powder that I think is calcium powder. Yeah, that's what it is. And they kind of like it in here. Put on that little fan because it was at, what is it, 86 and 84 on one side. So they like it. I'll keep you posted as it get bigger. Thank you.